Hi, I'm Tom with the BFID channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to open, print and export to IFC a Revit project even though you don't have a Revit subscription. So I don't have an active subscription, and if I start Revit up, I'm greeted with this information that I have no active subscription, so I cannot open Revit. But fortunately, there's so-called Revit viewer mode, which you can open even without a Revit subscription. So I will go to the Start menu and type in Revit, and you can see that I have an option of starting Revit or the Revit Viewer app. So I will start Revit Viewer, and you can see that it looks like it's starting up the standard Revit installation, which is actually is, but it's started in a separate viewer mode. So you can see when the Revit starts up, I'm informed that I'm in the viewer mode, so I can close this up. And the standard Revit welcome page opens. And here I can go and open my project that I want to print out, even though I don't have a Revit subscription. So I will open it. And you can see that the file was created in Revit 2021 and it's upgrading to Revit 2024. So even the Revit viewer mode can upgrade older Revit files. And after the project is upgraded, you can see that I'm inside of my project and I can see the sheets. I can see the 3D view model. This is a really small one, and I can browse my sheets. So basically I've got only 2 sheets here, and I can easily print this one sheet or multiple sheets by going to print, and basically using the print function I will create a PDF and I will just print this one page. I will hit OK and I will name it print. You can see if I jump into my documents, it's this file, and if I open it, it's the printed sheet. So this is the printing part. And now if I wanted to export the 3D model to IFC or any other format, I can go to File, again Export, and I will use the IFC. Now here I can select my export setup, so I will leave it at IFC for reference view, hit export, and then if I jump back here where it's saved, it's this IFC, so I can open that one in an IFC viewer, and you will see that the project is exported. Now it's important to know what you cannot do is you cannot use, I don't know why, the built-in PDF export tool. It doesn't allow me to do that. What you can do is use all of the standard tools. So I mean I can even create a wall here, but after you edit the project, you edited the wall, and now you would want to print the file or export it, you would be again prohibited to do so. So be careful before you print it out or export. Don't do any changes to the project. Just open it and print it or export it. So if you have some older projects but you don't have a Revit subscription anymore, you can still open them, browse them, print them out. So this is a nice feature. I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one.